What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute rant. I'm going to take this from Grant Cardone's 2 cents in 2 minutes. Thanks Grant, Uncle G, appreciate it. Today I want to talk about sleeping more than 7 hours. If you're sleeping more than 7 hours, you're wasting a lot of time. And think an hour a day, multiply that by the year, you're missing over 360 plus hours a year by sleeping in 1 extra hour. Guys, if you want to get ahead of the game, you got to work your butt off. Okay? It says, 5-hour work week, 10-hour work week, 20-hour work week. Who cares? Who cares about those hours? Do 40 hours, do 50 hours, heck, do 80 hours a week, and then tell me that you want to go back to only doing 20. The more you do something, the easier it gets, just like working out. If you work out 5 days a week, it'll be easy. If you work out 2 days a week, it's going to be hard. So you're definitely going to want to put in that effort, put in that extra work, and in result, you're going to have more time on your hands later. Do what's hard now to make your life easy, because everyone else right now is trying to do what's easy, and their life is going to be very hard. That's my 2 cents in under 2 minutes. Thank Uncle G for the motivation to get some rants and raves started. I'll be doing more rants and raves every single day, so check them out. And if you want to know more about my channel, subscribe so you don't miss anything. But remember, 7 hours of sleep is all you need.